Hi, I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey, and this is Dixie, and we're Love Hut for Life. Today we are hanging out in the Cherokee National Forest and cannot wait to check out this trailhead for the Conasauga Falls. I think I'm saying that right. If I'm not, you'll be sure and let me know in the comments. The road getting in here is a little bit tight, but no worries to all of our buddies and pro masters. Your vehicle can make it if all of these did. One of the many reasons that this hike is so awesome is that it's actually really short. It's only 3/4 of a mile each way and mostly downhill on the way there.
The walk to this waterfall is full of things to look at. Crazy looking fungus, huge slugs, and even massive ferns. I'm coming.
That's awesome. Looks like we still have some more trail to go, though. I can't believe it gets better.
I was perfectly fine hanging out in the pool below the falls, but of course, Kelsey wasn't. If y'all have been following us along for a while, then you know this makes me really nervous. This girl never stops climbing rocks. Go Kelsey, go Kelsey, go, go, go Kelsey, go Kelsey, go, go. Oh, don't fall. Watch out for those water rattlesnakes.
I Tarzan my way back to safety just fine. right, y'all, it is about 3:30 and we still gotta find a place to park that big yellow house tonight. And we got a puppy up there that is really, really anxious to see us, I'm sure.
It's all uphill from here.
I will say that the hike up was not quite as easy as the hike down. Oh, hi, puppy. Hi, oh my goodness, were we gone for so long? Oh my goodness, I'm excited to see you too. I am. I know.
Hi, puppy.
Y'all be sure to tune in on Sunday to find out where we wound up.
Y'all don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a comment below.